Ashwini Ponappa and Tanisha Crasto booked their ticket for the Paris Olympics in women's doubles. In 2022, Tanisha struggled to find a long-term women's doubles partner. But then a veteran shuttler opened the doors for a new doubles alliance when Ashwini Ponappa ended her long-term partnership with N. Sikki Reddy in October of the same year. The two found themselves at unforeseen crossroads in December as Tanisha split with Shruti Mishra, her third partner of the year. After that, the pair never looked back and gave back-to-back good performances.
I'm very happy that Tanisha and I have qualified for the Olympics. It's been a little over a year since Tanisha and I started playing. We started playing together last year in Jan. And at that point in time, the Olympics seemed really far away. And I'm very happy that we worked quite a bit and we've managed to qualify. That's the first step. And definitely looking forward to putting on a very good performance at the Olympics.
Ashwini and Tanisha had a great 2023. They won Abu Dhabi Masters and Guwahati Masters champions, two runners-up performances in the Syed Modi International and Odisha Masters.
2023 has been really good. I think for me personally that was much needed, especially since I have been playing for quite some time, and starting off a new partnership from scratch meant that I had a lot of people doubting whether it was going to be possible. So I'm very happy that I had Tanisha as a partner who's young and energetic, who's just starting off her career, and together I'm glad that we won a couple of tournaments last year, which hasn't been there for a very long time for me, so that definitely has been a very nice year for me. I think the fact that we balance each other out, my experience, her youth, and the fact that she's very energetic and she's fresh and enthusiastic, I take a lot of that. Having played for such a long time, sometimes you need that added factor, and Tanisha brings that to the partnership. And yeah, I think our partnership is pretty exciting because there's a very different balance of like experience versus youth and combining together and coming together. Of course, we have a very huge age gap between the two of us, so it definitely means that it needs to be worked on a little bit more, because otherwise I'm like a super senior to Tanisha. So yeah, we do tend to go out and have meals together and chill together so that we break like the barriers and bond well. Yes, most definitely. I think we need to get stronger on our defense and also get strong on our offense, because at times we can get a run of points with our offense, but I think we need to streamline it and simplify it a bit more so that we're a lot more consistent. I think it's great to have a second pair, and the fact that two pairs were competing to qualify for the Olympics. It would be great in the future to have two pairs qualifying for the Olympics, but the fact that there were two pairs competing itself speaks volumes to the fact that we have a second pair in women's doubles. We haven't had that in the past, so it's very nice. Teresa and Gayatri are extremely strong as a pair. They've done really well for themselves and they have a long way to go. I'm sure they'll do even better.